today's outfit is this cheetah print shirt from Brandy Melville, these Levi shorts, and this belt is from Brandy Melville, and these shoes are Madden Girl or something, I'm not really sure, knockoff Birks. And then this necklace is from H&M, I believe. And then just two little bracelets that I got at random little shops. First stop is Urth Cafe to grab some late lunch. Our next stop is Glossier.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
So we're in Glossier right now. We're just gonna get
I'm gonna get the lip balm, birthday balm.com I think it's called, and the sparkly stuff.
I'm gonna get the exfoliating toner.
When in dark, walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed.
We're at Glossier. This is our favorite.
We're buying it.
There we go. Buy this. It's amazing. It's the best flavor ever, and it makes your lips so
Never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better.
We just got to the Grove. We're gonna shop around a little bit, get dinner at Cheesecake Factory, and then we'll probably head back to Brentwood, which is where we're staying. Alright, first stop, Brandy Melville.
There they go, hey, moving on that boat, hey, sunny day, hey. Even if the sun goes down on you.
I don't know, I kind of like this, but I also have a good amount of dresses. And then I also really like this dress. We got Cheesecake Factory to go, and we're gonna go eat it somewhere. Yeah. All right, we are eating outside. Brianna asked for butter, and they gave her an entire box. What the heck are you? Summer, do you want to explain what you are doing right now?
Right now we're making me a Tinder account just for fun and see who's on Tinder in LA. I've never had a Tinder account before, so.
What kind of photos are we putting on there?
I don't really know.
Gotta have the Coachella photo, obviously.
We're just gonna see who's on here for fun.
Alright, she switched to Bumble.
Tinder wasn't working.
Help us figure out if we should swipe, or Summer, I'm not a part of this.
Football player who goes skydiving.
Okay,
Oh.
she got a match. Oh my gosh, Summer! Okay, what should you say?
I'm just gonna use one of the let's get you started.
Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, I believe. And we are going down to Santa Monica today, so I'm gonna wear this white shirt I got from Brandy Melville. These pants are from Anthropologie. I just got them on sale while I was in Portland. And then these shoes. This is Summer's really cute purse that she's letting me borrow because I forgot a purse for this trip.
Sun goes down on you. You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
The next stop for today is the Beverly Hills Hotel. Oh, so cute. Can we do the walking one here? Good morning. So today is basically our last full day in LA. So we are gonna go to Venice Beach. Also, I think I'm gonna get my ears pierced today, so we will see if I do. Apparently there's like a $5 place.
I know, I've gotten my ears pierced there.
I'm a little bit sketched out.
That's the place when I got my ears pierced there. That's the only place where my ears have never gotten infected from my ear piercing. Every piercing that I've got at like Claire's and Icing's, I've gotten infected, so.
I guess I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get, I think, I'm kind of just full sending this. I think I'm gonna get like a piercing right here and not do it on the other ear. So we will see, but it will cost me $5, so yeah. I'm about to get my ears pierced. Oh gosh.
But I always get this one. These ones are also cute though, I think.
I think I like this one. I feel like I'd rather just have a solid.
Yeah, these you can. And look at, that's your birth stone too.
Oh, cool.
That looks so cute.
It doesn't hurt anymore. It just hurt like for like a second.
Yeah.
Cute. Alright, got my ears. Alright, got the ear piercing. Sorry. We're done. Now we are going to head down to Venice Beach.
It's called Fox Discount Store.
And it's in Venice, I believe, and it costs $5 to get a piercing. So, yes, and they get piercings here all the time. They've never gotten infected, so I'm hoping I'm lucky. Right now, we're at Abbey Kinney. We're gonna go take pictures. Apparently, it's really cute.
Who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50.
Backyard. Oh my God. Imagine. Oh my.
Had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that sun on top, yeah. On top, yeah.
Outfit of the day. This is from Forever 21. This tube top is from Bernie Melville. I got it years ago. Same shoes as always. Summer's purse. So, yeah. I really want one of these dresses, but in white with the black spots, and like I could put like a white shirt under it. I don't know, I feel like it would be cute with a black hat. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to Cicconi's in LA for dinner, so we're getting a little bit more dressed up. I'm wearing this dress from Princess Polly. These shoes are from Tilly's. And then this necklace. We're gonna take some photos right here. Oh, hey dog.
Dexter.
We're having breakfast. We're about to leave LA. Brie and I split pancakes, so. So I got home from LA a little bit ago. I'm gonna end this vlog now. I hope you guys loved it. It was so good seeing Summer and Brianna again, just because now I'm back at school and they're starting school this upcoming week. So that was super fun. And if you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I have so many more videos coming out super soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.